I forgot to get my camera, so I just wanted to go get it right now. But damn, bro, I fucking hate tape. Shout out you, baby. Shout out Michelle. You gotta respect your elders, you know what I'm saying? Respect. I respect you. 2 more pair of cargos that I finished up on. I'm gonna ship, and then I have a rhinestone order over here. Kids are into it. Shut up. Got stickers. I give you guys, I need to get more. I'm sus as fuck. Dog, this shit is ass. I'm trying to cut it with one hand, this shit is hard. You get the point. It's gonna like cut it. Bro. I'm tired as fuck. I don't even know if this is a good angle, but fuck it. This shit can like cut a grandma in half. Whatever, I'm just rambling on. But anyways, I sanded down. So I'm gonna sand down the whole. So next time I drop it, people go crazy if they really want it. These are the 2 cargo orders I have. What's up? This is like the same day that I ended that last video up in my room and shit. But anyways, these are the 2 cargo orders I have left because I just ended the cargos because again, people like that shit. They don't like it when it's available 24/7. When you run a brand, you have to understand that people want shit like when they can't have it, you know what I mean? Same type of shit that goes within life. Like you want something you can't have. So next time I drop it, people go crazy if they really want it. And I want people to actually want this shit. I don't want it to be like some bullshit. Like I actually want to see people in pics on Insta wearing that type shit, whatever, yada yada yada. So I got 2 pairs. So what I do when I distress is I sand it down. So I'm gonna sand down the whole pair of pants, back, the front portion, the back portion. I kind of avoid cross logo. It's hard doing this backwards. I avoid the cross logo because I don't want to mess up the design. Direct the garment print. You can wash it, dry it. I don't really dry any of my stuff, like even t-shirts or whatever. I buy shit the same size that I would actually wear. Like I don't want it to shrink or anything. But if I do want shit to shrink, then of course I'll put it in the dryer. Whatever, I'm just rambling on. But anyways, so I sand it, then I get like a little X-Acto knife and I cut that shit. This shit is sharp, so like this shit can like cut a grandma in half. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna start the whole process. I'll document some parts. Like, what the fuck am I wearing? This shit is drippy as fuck. I thrifted this for like $9. Crazy. Gang. I don't even know if this is a good angle, but fuck it. And I'm on SoundCloud because I don't know how that demonetizing shit works for music. But I'm playing shit that I can't hear, bro. Who gonna demonetize fucking Rihanna? Bro. I'm tired as fuck. That was easy, now we later. Yeah. Won't stop until we get ghosts. Alright, so I just finished sanding that, and now we just gotta distress it. This is how it came out. But yeah, it just gives it like a distress look. Makes it easier to cut. It's like, dog, this shit is ass. I'm trying to cut it with one hand, this shit is hard. You get the point. It's gonna like cut it. It's hot as shit in my garage. Yeah, first pair, distress it right now, then I'll show you the results after. Now I'm just going along the pockets, like literally where you put your hand inside and shit. Just going with the knife and just cutting it up on the side to give it kind of like those, I'll show you right now. And it was like ruffled up along the edges. But yeah, you get the gist. Too many chances, gave myself too many chances. Alcohol, drugs, and dances. Wait, don't get me burnt. Wait. Wait. Smile on my face, yeah. Grandma just paid. And now I'm gonna unhem the bottom part so it kind of like flares out around your shoe. So I unhemmed it. So basically it looks like this with all the hemming still attached. I haven't done this one yet, but I just did this pair. The threading's undone so you can fold it out. And it just like looks cooler over your shoe and shit. Alright, so I just finished. Took me about like an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. Cause I really go into that shit. Pause, it sounds sus. But anyways, you kind of see it. It's kind of shitty lighting, but it's kind of like a light wash type of look and it's like cut up and shit. But I'm gonna put them to wash like on delicate together, like a 30-minute wash, and then I'll line dry them. So I don't, like I said earlier, I don't like to put my shit in the dryer, anything. Yeah, and then I'll ship them out. But I still have to do like a rhinestone order. I don't know what day I'm gonna ship, but I also have to do a rhinestone order. I think someone else just ordered like the three-headed skull tee. It's like a white shirt with the heart on it, whatever. But alright, so it's the next day. It's like 7:57 a.m. Finished the cargos last night. I just have to work on the rhinestone order, extra large. I'm gonna start early today because I have a lot of shit to do, but I'm just gonna be doing that throughout the day and then try to finish up. Fuck. Alright, so now I'm working on the rhinestone shit. It's gonna take me a whole fucking day. Literally, I hold each rhinestone. It's hot fix, so I hold each one for like 25 seconds. And then I got multiple colors. Spend a fucking bag on that shit. Nah, not really. You gotta look on Amazon, but again, you wanna like do different shit for your brand. If you see like something not working, maybe make it custom, DIY shit, distress it. I did rhinestones because I saw people are fucking with rhinestones, so you just have to see what the kids are into. Shut up. But yeah, you gotta get a chop later. Gonna work on this, like I said, all day. Finish it, wash it, line dry it, probably ship all the shit out. The cargos, this one, another t-shirt. I think I got 2 t-shirts. Ship that out Monday. But yeah, fuck with me. Alright, I forgot to get my camera, so I just wanted to go get it right now. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm just doing some orders. Got stickers. I give you guys, I need to get more, and then I put one of these in the inside. You get it. But yeah, I just finished that order. I have 2 other orders right here, 2 separate ones, 2 more pair of cargos that I finished up on. I'm gonna ship, and then I have a rhinestone order over here. My printer texted me. Cool. I'm trying to do like zip up hoodies next, so I just told him if he can get me a certain kind that I saw at his little workshop. I like the thickness and the heaviness to it, so I'm gonna see if that's possible. But yeah, that's what the homie texted me. Cool. And then I'm able to look at like my orders in my phone through Wix. If you fuck with Wix, you can go through Shopify, you can go through, I don't know the other ones, but I know there's like plenty other ones. So this guy ordered size large. Boom. Money. My boy Edward. Size large. Again, get the dimensions right now. Make sure that bit in there. Little sticker. Whatever. Then you take the little sticky thing off. Yeah. You don't want to like damage the package, but you want to make sure like you seal it pretty good, because you have to measure the dimensions before you put it in the program of ShipStation. And like the wider it is, or like the heavier it is, and stuff like that, because I have to wait too when I'm over there. It costs more money, so you want to make sure that you're sealing it up pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Gotta show that shit. Okay. I'm sus as fuck. sticky note on it. Back to the dimensions. So it is. And by if I want, and then I'll put the weight later. Cool. Make sure you fold it nice and tight. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, baby? I like it when I talk dirty. Put out this gum. Oh fuck, I'll do it later. Okay, medium. We got this medium. We got Michelle. Shout out you, baby. Shout out Michelle. This shit came out hard. I want to keep doing this, but I want to get a better method of doing it. Dad on the phone. It's not a conference call. You gotta respect your elders, you know what I'm saying? Respect. I respect you. Respect you. That's like one thing about me. I hate trash. I hate mess. I need to stay organized. It's my fucking killer. Fucking beat the fuck out of your grandma, bro. 32. These are hard, buddy. Crazy. Yeah. So I'm gonna fold it to like the pocket. Fold it one more time. Then you get a nice fold. Yes, bro. Peep this hat. This shit hard. It's made out of like wax. Shout out Concrete Hills. They know what they're doing. It's like two teenagers too running it. I think they're like brothers, but yeah, they're hard. Put this in the bag. Put it in the bag. Put it in the fucking bag, bitch. Damn, bro. I fucking hate tape. I just don't know why this one's giving me such a problem. It's like, fuck. Give me a break, bitch. We gotta tell your females, give you a break. You gotta run your life up first, you know? Get me for a certain amount of time. Don't blow it, though. Bro, why does this tape keep getting stuck? You fucking whore, bro. Actually pissing me off. It's pissing me off. Fuck. Thank you for getting the drip. Thank you for ordering the drip. Yeah, Shershki. Dog. Bro, I've been crippled and like, I'm not bad. Like, I'm low-key kind of chubby and shit. And my shit's going away, but we don't look too bad. Cause your baby mama still hit me up. No kizzy. No kizzy. No kizzy. No kizzy. Your baby mama hit me up. Girls don't call me back after the first date, bro. Cause I'm ugly and shit. I have no idea where I am with this video content shit. Anyways, right now I'm going through on my computer. Also wrote it down to help me like keep track of it. Each of these, and this isn't even all of them, but each of these is just the highlighted ones are the ones I already put into the computer. But basically I'm gonna have because I've been talking about how I want to do like a thrift drop every month and have like monthly different drops or whatever. But right now I'm inputting it all into my computer, dropping the thrift drop at 12 p.m. So that's gonna go live at 12 p.m. and I don't really just have it on my website. I have it on my website, Depop. I think I'm gonna put it on Grail too, and there's like one of my first like monthly drops that I've been talking about that I've been wanting to do. Yeah, this is the only time I have to do it, so I'm trying to bust it out real quick. Pause. That's not it sus. Alright, so for right now, for the brand, I'm going through the different pricing of all the shit that I got for the thrift drop that's gonna be happening on Friday. I'm hoping Friday, because I've been postponing it because of school and shit. Yeah, hopefully Friday, May 21st. If you're watching this behind or whatever, I don't really know. But I have like a whole bag right here of just like shit that I already had and stuff that I just picked up. I'm not gonna cap, like the hard shit, like I kept some of the stuff, but I have a lot of it in here. But a lot of the hard shit that I picked up from the thrift, and after trying on some stuff, I like kept it. But not definitely some pieces in here. If you like vintage stuff, I distress some of my clothing, so I have some of those. But yeah, I want to go through it, and along the way I'll show you like different type of shit that I got. But yeah, gang.